Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf, and I'm back again with this time it is a short analysis on Bitcoin. I just found a good opportunity and a good setup for a trade. This setup will be most accurate for intraday traders and scalpers because it's just a quick setup. And so yeah, let's get to the charts. So right now, as I already mentioned in my previous short video, the Bitcoin price is stuck in these two main levels, and right now it is sideways. So either we can take a trade here if the price comes here and shows a reversal sign, and then we can short the trade and our take profit can be here, or the same opposite, like if the price comes here and shows a reversal or some kind of a confirmation of the upside, then we can take a long position and our target can be till here. Or we can just wait for the price to break this level to the upside or break this level to the downside with huge volume or with some kind of a confirmation or a retest. So let's see when that will happen, but for now I have a quick trade, so let me tell you that. So right now the Bitcoin price is in an uptrend for short, as we can see here, low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So if the price of Bitcoin breaks this level right here, the previous higher high, if the price breaks this level to the downside, then it will no longer be in an uptrend. That will signify that now the bears are in the power and the price can go all the way down till here again. So well, it is a risky trade, but do follow proper money management and risk management. So just have an eye on this level right here. If the Bitcoin price breaks this level to the downside, then there's a good opportunity of shorting the Bitcoin, and I'll also jump in the trade with you guys. So yeah, I will update you guys on my Twitter, so do follow my Twitter also for latest crypto updates and my trade updates as well. With the main trade that I will be, when the price breaks this or this level, any two levels, then only I'll enter here or maybe here. So let's see what happens. This was just a quick analysis. And guys, if you want to trade crypto or any other asset, Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you are interested, then you can do that on Bybit. It is a very secured and easy to use platform. You can create an account on Bybit for free with the link in description. This link, it will be available in the at the top of the description. So you can create an account on Bybit and you can get up to $30,000 gift if you create an account with this link in the description. So yes, and do follow me on my Twitter as well, as I already told you, for latest straight to the point updates and my trade updates, and when I'm getting out everything. So both the link of Bybit and Twitter will be at the top of the description as well. So yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. It was a quick analysis. So yes guys, this was it, and see you guys next.